This video shows how to install the LiftMaster Optical Edge System on a sectional door. Installing on a rolling door will be similar. The LiftMaster Optical Edge System can be used with LiftMaster, Heavy Duty, Standard Duty, and Medium Duty door operators. Each kit provides a monitored entrapment protection device for a single door. The kit contains the rubber sensing edge, a set of photo eyes, a waterproof junction box, 2-wire coil cable, and 2 door bumpers. You'll also need a mounting channel that fits the thickness of your door. These are sold separately in 2 sizes. Each carton contains 4 4-foot sections. Measure the width of your door and cut the sensing edge to that length. Measure in 1 inch and carefully cut out the entire circular portion of each 1-inch section. Make sure to leave the side flaps intact. They're designed to help seal the bottom of the door. Cut the mounting channel to fit the door width. Make sure you align the grooves in the channel across all the sections. Securely fasten the mounting channel to the bottom of the door. Fold the flaps of the sensing edge together and slide the T-shaped ends into the grooves on the channel. To make the edge slide in easier, coat the flaps of the sensing edge with a mixture of dish detergent and water. Thread the sensing edge onto the mounted channel. From the operator side of the door, insert a fish tape through the space between the mounting channel and the sensing edge. Make sure that you don't put it through the circular portion. Pull the longer wire for the photo eye back through. Insert each photo eye into the circular part of the sensing edge. This is a tight fit. You'll need to twist the photo eyes back and forth as you push them into the sensing edge. Make sure that each photo eye is flush with the end of the sensing edge and with the wiring pointing up. Cut a small slit in the upper compartment of the sensing edge. Feed the wires from the photo eye into the sensing edge and pull all the wires through the slit. Fasten the junction box to the door. Run the photo eye wires through the side of the junction box. Insert the short, straight end of the coil cord through the cord protector and then through the locking nut on the cover of the junction box. In the junction box, connect the black-white wires from the photo eyes and the white wire from the coil cord using wire nuts. Connect the black wires from the photo eyes and the brown wire from the coil cord. The black-white wires are common and the black wire is positive. Stack the bumper pieces together as necessary. Install the bumpers over the sensing edge and mounting channel in the 1-inch cutouts at each side of the door. Disconnect all power to the operator. When you're connecting to the operator, note that wiring is polarity sensitive. For a heavy duty or standard duty Logic 4 operator, connect the white wire to the terminal labeled COM and the brown wire to the LM/EP terminal. Turn on power to the operator. Follow the instructions to set the travel limits. Test to make sure that the operator reverses when it contacts an obstruction. Visit LiftMaster.com for more information.